So the website promises to pay €350 per week, and that is dependent on you as the worker. So what is the name of this website? It is called E Moderators. Okay, it is something I just found out recently, and I decided to review it, check if it works, and amazingly it works. Okay, so if you're looking for something to do online, you've been trying a lot of stuff, it is not working, you've tried surveys, it is not working, I think you should also try this. This is definitely going to work. Okay, so what do we offer? Let's just run through what it is all about. So working as a moderator gives you the opportunity to earn money from day one. You can work when you want and from where you want. So this is more like freelancing. You choose your own hours. They say it has competitive salary, so which means that you determine how much you are supposed to earn on this website as a chat moderator, because basically what you're going to be doing is responding to messages. If you are open-minded, you have good imagination, you like to work, and you are a fast typer. So one of the things that you are going to learn before you come onto this website is for you to be able to learn how to type really fast. Go and take some type skills. If you go to ratatype.com, you can check your speed level on Ratatype. You get the certificate, and that can even give you an edge while you are applying for this opportunity. The good thing about Ratatype is that it is completely free. The certificate is going to be offered to you free of charge. So you can head over to Ratatype and check your speed level. Okay. So one other thing that you need here, the guidelines, is that you only need Wi-Fi and a laptop and a bank account. You need a laptop and a bank account. Of course, you have a bank account. So don't fret if you do not have a laptop. You can literally do this with your phone. It is possible. So working as a moderator gives you the opportunity to earn money from day one. We talked about that earlier. The pay is also progressive. By progressive, they mean that you get paid according to how many messages you are able to respond to. They are going to train you, and that training is not like, it doesn't cost you anything. It is typically free. The essence of the training is just so that their coaches will put you on what you are supposed to be expecting while you are doing the job. Okay, so what exactly are you waiting for? You can hop on this platform and see what it holds for you. Okay, but without running too fast, I think I'm going to be opening this account right now, so you can see how it is done to avoid issues. So this is exactly what it looks like. We provide you with a personal tutor. We talked about that. The user, it is user friendly. The interface is very easy to navigate. Then of course they are saying that they are the highest payment in the industry. I do not know about that. I don't know, because I haven't checked out other chat agent industries. But why not? Let's just see what this holds for us. So they're saying that they pay 10 euro cent and up to 24 euro cents per processed messages. So if you're able to respond to 500 messages in a day, of course, you do the math and see where that leads you. So weekly, this is what the interface looks like. So you just fill in your name, your basic details, your age, and then your nationality, where you're from. I'm Nigerian, so Nigeria it is. Where's Nigeria? Over here. Okay, here it is. Then country of residence, depending on where you're living, you just go ahead and pick. Just go ahead and pick, and then select the country where you want to apply. UK, Skype, of course, your Skype, that's if it is available to you. Then work experience, you just go ahead and type your work experience. So for you to do this, all you need to do is to head on to ChatGPT and then just prompt ChatGPT work experience for as a chat agent, and then make it very brief but catchy, and that will be it. So let's just come up with something, okay? So that's like the first stage. We are done with it. Then test explanation. So test explanation, Now we have a test for you to complete, which contains 6 questions. This test will help us evaluate if you're suitable for this type of work. This is your interview for the position. We wish you luck. So this is like the first stage of the interview. Please ensure to read this thing through, understand it, so that you won't make mistakes while you are going through your application process. So let's get on this first interview. Not acting out your personality here, so let's just play around with this. Okay, guys. So what I did here basically was just doing my first interview. So the first interview is just the customer support over here chatting with you like it was a client. So all you need to do is to respond to those messages like you were responding to a client. Don't forget, your job here is just to chat with these people. And like I always say, whenever you come across information about making money online on the internet or on any website or platform, please do well to do your own research to see if that particular thing suits your personality or your value system or even your belief system. It is very important. So I just went ahead and chatted with whoever that was chatting with me. And you guys, I can't even lie, it was fun. And at some point, I'm like, really? Okay, so this and many more is what you're going to be facing as a chat moderator on this very platform. You guys, it was very simple. By the time you are done, you're going to just see success. Like when you're done, you just click on I am not a robot, and that will be it. And it is going to show that you are successful. So that was what happened. I got successful, and this is it. So guys, if you're going to try this out, let me know in the comment section. And thank you so much for watching this video up till this point. I really appreciate. Do well to subscribe. Also give this video a big thumbs up, and comment your thoughts down below. I'll see you in my next one.